In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Facebook story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook app and then right here tap at that plus sign to start creating a story. First, right here you can select a photo or a video to use in your story, and then in order to add music here, all you have to do is right here tap at that music icon, and now here you can select some music from that list. You can hit at that play button first to listen to that song, and also, you can scroll to the top and you can use that recommended categories like weekend, love, date night, birthday, and bunch of different other categories. Also, here you can use search to search for some specific music. You can just hit at that search box and then just start typing your request, hit on search, and now there you can select any music from that list. To add a music to your story, just hit add that music, and now you can tap right here. Let me volume down, and now you can select specific part of this song just by simply dragging it to the left or to the right. Also, here you can select lyrics for that music. It can show up in that way, for example, and once you're ready you can hit on done. Now you can move on these lyrics wherever you want. You can move it around, you can scale it if you want, and then place it somewhere in any space of that screen. And now here you can add other stickers, add some effects, or draw something here, and once you're ready just hit add share to story to share it with your followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.